What's up everyone? So it was a Sunday, which means like first working day for some people here in Saudi Arabia, but for me it was the second because my week starts on Saturday. So well, after work I'm now actually gonna go back home, and after that I'm going to the gym. But before going to the gym, I'll on my way I'll stop at one shop to get some fruits. And well, I also got some new uniforms today. So well, right now I'm just gonna head back home. So join me on this drive, and the drive is gonna be from Sharafia to Mohammedia, and from Mohammedia to then on to exit 6 on the ring road, northern ring road. So tag along. So here we go everyone. So this is the POV camera, my iPhone. But check out these clouds here in Riyadh. Usually in the summers you wouldn't be able to see these sorts of clouds, but in winters you see very fabulous formations of clouds. But today we have these. So now I'm heading back home, but I'll have to take my fruits along the way before going to the gym. So gonna make a couple of stops, and then I'm gonna leave for the gym. The gym I go to is Fitness Time, and also the car that I'm driving right now, if you are new to the channel, it's a Shanjan Edo 2025. See, empty roads. And well, let's see what's the traffic situation right now. It's almost 3:30. I come to work at 5 a.m. so that's why I leave early. So my other colleagues that come later, they have their timings accordingly. But for me this suits better because I can easily go to the gym. I have a couple other channels as well where I post stuff from my life. One is Raw Logs by Talha. It's like uncut footage of whatever I'm recording in my life. And then I also have a Talha's POV where I post the experiences, the actual gist of the whole days, and like the crux of the experiences. So that is also an interesting one. That is linked in the about the actual page of this channel as well. So let me know down in the comments where you are seeing this from. I'll meet you after this traffic light turns. Here we go, the signal turned green and we are off to the Spar supermarket. In Arabic one would call it Spar. This is the Prince Turki Road. Another traffic light. See on the right, the Riyadh bus. Wow. Brings back a lot of memories of the times when I used to commute on these. And well, the traffic light just opened, and on we continue without any stop at the traffic light. The most amount of time that I spent in one traffic light, it was like an hour. And it was also, if we go down this road on the Prince Turki Road, there's one place where I usually go to the Fitness Time gym. That's a different gym, different location. But well, there I spent like an hour. It was such a long traffic light, and when the signal opened up and people started coming, then this traffic light turned red, then the other side was stuck. So it was a mess actually. There's a lot of traffic coming from the other side, and it's been some time waiting at this traffic light. Check out, tons of cars moving through from this traffic light. Maybe it's gonna be our turn to move. Is it or not? Yes sir. Yeah, this. Oh no, it's still open. Wow. Oh goodness. So yeah, now it stopped and on we move. Turn green, turn green, turn green. Yeah, turn green. What? Yeah, now it's green. The next one also turned green. Maybe you heard this warning. It was when the next car comes dangerously close to you. The forward collision sensor, it kicks in, and if you don't take any action, it can put on emergency braking. If you have turned on that option from the settings of Shenzhen. Onwards we go. We are going at 80 kilometers per hour right now. Before, the speed was 100 in the fast lane, but now we also have to make a turn to the right. We have to take the exit of the Aruba road, and that we shall take. The mobile just got hot, so it stopped recording, but now we are at the next traffic light of Aruba road, and that sleek building that you see right in front of you is the Kingdom Tower. This is a side view of the Kingdom Tower. Wow, looks like nothing from here, but if you see it from the other side, it's special. Here we go. Now I will be stopping at Spar. Lots of parking space in the afternoon. Let's get some fruits for our gym. The bananas, some grapefruit. It's quite soft. This is off season. Some mangoes, Egyptian mangoes, Yemeni mangoes. These ones are really tasteful. This one is also Egyptian, quite soft. Some more Egyptian mangoes, and the Saudi mangoes I think here. So now just came out of Spar, and well, I bought some bananas and mangoes, the Yemeni mangoes. Honestly, I have found them to be more tasteful than the Egyptian ones, the Pakistani ones. Actually, Pakistan has a lot of good, interesting mangoes, but the one that I found here, that variety didn't turn out to be good. So in Spar, I'm not buying that. I'm also not buying the Egyptian ones. The Yemeni ones, they are more tasteful. The name it's mentioned over there to be the Yemeni fish mangoes, but they actually are of the shape of a fish. But on internet I didn't find any type with that name. But regardless, that one was more interesting. Here we are, another traffic light. Turned green and on we go. They are making some bridge over here on Takhasusi Street. It will be better for the traffic because the current situation, I wonder how long it will take them to make this. Maybe 5 months? Would that be reasonable? Okay everyone, I will meet you in a while when I go to the gym.